Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, roof rack, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.